Hey everyone, I'm Desiree and welcome back to my channel Eyelashes. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm creating these easy brown smoky eyes. I know I'm a bit late with my vlog 10 as I was occupied with some work. So without taking much of your time, let's get started. Setting my eyeshadow base with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand and blending it with a beauty blender. I am now setting the base with the LA Girl PRO.face HD Matte Press Powder and the shade that I am using is Soft Honey. First of all, I am using a light brown shade as a transition color and applying it. Slowly and gradually, I am building up the color. Using the Lakme Eyeconic Kohl in the shade Classic Brown. Applying this kohl on the quarter half of my eyelid. It's a very creamy kohl. And now I am blending it with a blending brush. Increasing the intensity of the brown color by applying it more on the lid and blending it nicely. To give more depth to the color, I am using the Faces Canada Solid Black Eye Pencil and applying it on the upper lash line and smoking it out. Now I am again using the light brown color to blend all the colors together. Applying a dark brown shade on the half of the eyelid. If you want, you can skip this step as per your choice. Applying the light brown color in the lower lash line, followed by the Lakme Classic Brown Kohl and smoking it out. I am also going to finish the other eye by following the same process. I always like to carry this look as it's very easy to do and doesn't require much effort. It's very time saving. I'll also suggest that always make sure that you blend all the eyeshadows really well and there are no harsh edges left. I am using the Calailis Magnetic Black Eyeliner on the upper lash line and placing the magnetic eyelash. Very easy to wear these magnetic eyelashes. We'll soon be reviewing these eyelashes. I hope you all enjoyed and got benefited from this video. Wishing you all a wonderful and blessed day. Keep watching and supporting me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Eyelashes. You can also follow me on my Facebook page and my Insta handle.